Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create logo in Midjourney. So to create a AI logo in Midjourney, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you craft your unique logo. So first thing you have to do is to join the Midjourney on Discord. Then if you haven't already joined, just simply join the Midjourney Discord through their website and ensure you are subscribed to a plan. Then pick a newbie or an active channel. Then in this Discord server, locate a channel like newbie where you can type your logo prompt. Then use the clear and specific image prompt. Then type in the image followed by the details prompt. Be explicit about your logo, features, styles, tone, and other important prompts. Then after that, wait for Midjourney to generate option. So Midjourney will provide 4 variations of your logos, and this will appear in the Discord chat and we find your logo. So for you to do that, you can simply use the following beneath the generated image, which is the V1, V2, V3, V4, for you to upscale your response. Then also to upscale to create a particular design using variations, you can use the V1, V2, V3. Then you can also type new prompt to refine the logo style for that. And from that, you can also download and finalize your logo. So once everything is settled, once you settle on a design, click the image to enlarge it and download it to your device. And for advanced editing, you might import the logo into a design tools. For example, you can use the Adobe Illustrator or you can also use Canva to customize it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.